Hello guys, and what are you doing, Jackson? It just started recording. Why are you building? Okay, let's just do my introduction again. Let's restart that. Okay, so this is Michael, and I am this guy.
Hey guys, it's me, Jackson.
That guy. But you wouldn't know him, so don't say that. Because he hasn't started his YouTube channel yet.
Yeah, I'm about to start my YouTube channel. It's gonna be called Blueberry Face. Please subscribe and leave a like.
And oh, I forgot to mention, we are playing the zombie. There's little zombies coming! There's zombies coming for us!
Kill them!
Help me!
I am. This is like the worst base ever.
You said you were the building guys. I was the.
Wait, the not.
You said that you were building.
Yeah, I'm gonna get myself a spear.
How do you do that?
Go into the shop above the people, then you get a spear.
Where the people?
Over there!
This thing?
Yes!
Oh!
Okay, guys, this guy's a noob at this game.
Sorry, I've never played! You're the one that told me to play!
He's a noob!
I'm not a noob, you're a noob!
Okay,
wait,
yeah, let's just stop talking about noobs.
I just bought a spear. Okay, whatever. Okay, there's this. Get over here. This guy.
How the poop do you
and
that
guy's
brother?
Yeah, that guy. I pointed to over there. That guy's brother. Okay, so I got a spear.
That's enough wood for goodness.
I need some more stone because once I get some stone, I can build one of those harvesty thingies that get us.
It tells you where everything is right here. Gold, wood, yeah.
That's how much you have. Where's the stone? We need a rock. There we go.
Rock right there.
Rock. What do we need more?
Oh, hurry up. Zombies are coming. Hey, I'm in first.
Because there's only 3 people here, and one of them doesn't have any money.
Oh, he hasn't even started. He's probably just sitting there. Hey, can I join you? Oh, no, he is because I created this. Okay, whoopsie.
How do you?
Here, press it. Put it. Ah! The zombie freaks are here. I give up on life. Because that's what my mom said. No, please, don't forget me. This is so hard. Like, my arms are crossed. No. Okay.
One more.
Okay.
I'm gonna build one of those resource harvesty thingies.
Yeah.
Where should I put it? Right here?
Yeah. It would get wood for you. Yeah. But you have to fuel it.
With what?
Just go in there. Yeah, you got fuel it with. Like Jackson, you waste your gold. No! I don't have any. Yes, you do.
How do you fuel? Oh, refuel 80 gold?
You have 2K.
There we go. I got it picking things.
Okay, you got 5K? No. Okay. I'll get 5K gold. Dude, put one of those over here with our rocks. Okay, put one near our rocks. Put one near our rock. What else I shall kill you?
Put one by the rock.
Okay, I gotta get a better fence.
It's fuel. Collecting stone.
You should give Michael permission to sell. No.
I need more wood.
Dude, why are you
go to my harvesting thing? Collect. That do anything? Can I upgrade this?
Hurry! Keep running.
I don't know what I just said, but whatever.
They're coming to invade us. That's our base.
Kill them! Our base sucks.
Okay, I kind of just like it.
Oh, come on!
We're gonna die. These freakos are gonna be like, die!
better base. You said you were good at this game.
Okay, I am.
Build a base.
Usually.
There's one attacking our harvesting thingy.
Yeah, they're gonna do that.
Kill it. Can I repair this?
Yeah. No.
Can I like? Okay, I got our fuel thing working. Why can't I upgrade this? Can you give me permission to upgrade some crap?
We gotta upgrade that gold thing before we can upgrade other things. So do you have 5k gold? No, you don't. So we can't upgrade that yet. See, you gotta click that, and then it says 5k gold, and then if you have it, you can upgrade it.
Oh, got it. How do you get gold? You just wait?
Yeah, you gotta wait for those. Okay, we need to get a lot of resources.
Can we build some meal tower thingies?
What are those?
They punch people in the face!
Then just put them down. Put anything in between the two wall things. They are. Okay.
Oh, it punches the guy in the face before they can get there. I covered.
We need to cover.
Our thing is surrounded by mealy thingies. No, punch the guys in the face. Zombies!
Way better base. Our base is horrible. Literally horrible.
Stab him to death!
Oh, Jackson's terrible at this. Hey!
The punchy thingy's helping, but it's not doing much.
Oh crap. Look, I'm about to hit 5k gold, okay?
There's one on the... Oh my gosh. I have 4.4 gold.
I have 5k. What? Oh, come on.
You gotta re-enter.
Thank you.
Yay, now can we upgrade some crap?
Yeah.
So how much gold do you need to upgrade this crappy thing? No, I don't want to punch it. Upgrade. I just upgraded it.
Okay, upgrade like everything. And if you hit...
Should I upgrade the punchy thingies?
Yeah, hit something, then shift upgrade, and then it upgrades every one of those that we own.
Oh, I need some more wood. Oh, that's why we're not getting wood.
What do you need to place one? 5 wood. Okay, time to get some wood.
Just collect some. You should build your own harvesting thingies.
Oh gosh.
Oh crap.
Good move. Now.
Okay, I upgraded one of the punchy thingies.
I told you.
You told?
I told you if you just hit shift, you upgrade both. You upgrade all.
Okay, now I'm gonna. Yeah, but I didn't have enough wood. I upgrade the other punchy thingy.
I upgraded all.
The punchy thingies are one-shotting these guys.
Go.
I'm just right in the middle of them.
Yeah, I'm through.
Ah, they broke all the walls! They're breaking in! They're breaking in! They're breaking in!
As long as they don't break our upgraded ones.
Oh, they're breaking their upgraded ones.
And we're horrible. Horrible. This guy still doesn't got no money. Oh, okay. You have 1k.
There's another guy on the thing!
Okay.
No, he destroyed the harvester! Hey, I'm just gonna build walls.
That's great for you.
I'm just gonna build walls all day, every day.
Yeah.
Around the base.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, they regenerate?
What?
The walls. They're regenerating.
Because of me!
Oh.
You!
I've never played!
This is just sad.
What?
Dad, if you played this game and you really think he needs to learn, just Put it. Tell me in the comments.
You don't even have your own channel yet. You haven't created it yet. Yeah, whatever.
Is your mic even on? Hey. What's up, guys? It's YouTube!
Oh my gosh.
If you guys actually watch his channel and his Roblox, thank you. Thank you a lot. But
should I build more
we'll
punches?
need some more likes and subscribers.
Can I sell some stuff? Zombies!
Ah! I just did what I did. Mother gave me Celsius. If I count,
okay, this is bad.
Guys, in my calculation that I was dead. Oh no, I'm about to die.
What's my health at? Yep, I'm dying. I'm gonna see if I can buy a better weapon. I'm buying bombs. I just bought some bombs.
Guys, bow is better than my spear. You're about to die. Better go.
Suicide!
You died. Yay! Okay,
that's it for today, guys.
Really? No, what now? If you click that button.
Why?
Did you click that button?
No, I didn't click
you
it.
You better not. What? I'm doing it again. We're gonna build it again, and I'm gonna kick you off. How do I do?
I'm building my own gold tank.
No, don't kick him. Hey, you're on your own now.
Yeah, cool.
Hey! Now you made it so I can't place.
Haha.
Now you can place 2. That's my gold stash.
Yeah, look across the map.
How is that loco duty guy in first? Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try and join somebody else. Because this game's poop. Now, where do you live? I'm gonna find where you live and just kill you.
Come on, bruh.
Wait a minute. I think I'm still like on your team and the zombies are gonna kill you.
Oh, dude, my punchy thingers are doing a good job. Come on, punch those people. Oh, one got through the punchy thingies. Hey, dude, I only had to kill one of them. The punchy thingies are OP.
Not OP. I'm coming to kill you.
Come on, why, bruh?
Because I want to find my base.
But I can show you where it is.
I'm coming. Then join my team.
You kicked me!
Because I'm evil. Really? Please join my team. Join my team.
Where are you?
I'm coming. Dad, join me on my friend thing. Oh yeah, guys, I play Roblox too. And if you want to be my friend in Roblox, my name's Sharky2840. 2840. Sharky2840. And by the way, don't join him, okay? And Tyler, he doesn't play Roblox because it's boring. He's never played any good games.
Play some crap that'll actually help me.
And I'm gonna come kill it. He's actually almost there. Oh, you're in first.
Yay.
Please join my team so I can go. Ah!
Did you seriously say it? No, you died? Oh,
because you left my thing out in the middle of nowhere.
Okay, I won't do that.
Okay, join me.
Dude, you kicked me.
Join my party. No, you joined him.
Dude, no, you joined me.
Then you gotta create a party.
Dude,
okay, tell me what the password is.
Dude, I'm just gonna name it. How do you... Frick, I gotta go.
Oh my gosh.
I'll do it the next morning.
The next morning?
Yeah, that's like 2 seconds. I just need to wait. My punchy thingies are OP.
I'm gonna come out of nowhere. Yeah, you can upgrade.